What is the people? Today we are at one of the oldest garage in Pune. I'm not just telling that it has cars from a long time, but these cars are here from a long time. So let's check out. What do we see here is a Humber, and this is the one of the oldest running vehicle, and this is a fully functional vehicle running, and this is one of the India. This is only one in India, so this is one of one car. I will just say the Humber, and this is used to just spring around, and then you have to accelerate from there. And as old car didn't have headlights and everything, so these had lamps, and it does say that Vintage Car Club of India. Pretty beautiful Humber and a registration. It was registered in 1930, I guess, which is pretty good. And what do we have over here is a Bosley. Now basically you can see a Bosley badging right over here, and headlights are even big than my hand, so you can literally blind someone from there. And weed written right here. I really don't know what does it mean, but it's written on the bumper, which adds to the elegancy. And it also gives some tiny sort of headlights over here. And as you can see, this car is just more than a G-Wagon. I'm kidding you not. I guess you will compare this to one of the tallest cars in India. And interiors, on the other hand, are basic because at that time we didn't compare interiors as luxurious as the chariot. So basically, this is a chariot, and what do we see here is a phone, I guess. I guess that's a phone to just tell the driver over here. You can see here that you may speak over from there, and the driver will know from here. Pretty good thinking back then, but now it is useful because we have to maintain the social distancing between coronavirus, and the driver is driving. He is not from the great area, so you might get a bit good feeling over here, luxurious and good. So let's check out the another thing. Yes, we do have a Plymouth here, a Cadillac over there. Many cars to cover up. There are almost 30 plus cars, and this is the beast. Let me just show you around. Interiors are the best at, and Corvette badging right here. Stingray, it is the Stingray. Of course, the tail lamp looks such a beautiful thing. That is the GT, Opel GT. As you can see, you won't see these kind of cars too often. And this is the 190D Mercedes, and most of the dreams come true when you come over here. 190 SL and many more cars. Let me just show you the front side, which is more interesting than the back side. This is the Cadillac. I love the way it is so elongated and the length is too big. So basically this is the 190, okay, 190D, if you may see. This is the 190 SL. As you may remember this car as James Bond films, like old James Bond films, you saw him, and now you are seeing these kind of cars in Pune. Really crazy. So Volkswagen, come on. Interiors are really too funky around here, and the original Willys, the old cars, and of course the Hansa. I don't know if you can see. So continuing, this is just something, guys, like from classic cars to muscle cars. But classic cars, you are seeing just right at one. Classic cars, these are the cars that Queen of England would chauffeur around, because you know the comfort levels and the leg space over here is too much on offer. the car is too elongated, and you can totally see that many people can sit over here. And the interiors, according to their standard, was such a thing. Back in days, you didn't have such a thing as interior as itself, because you wanted to make something attractive, but here you are. And the mirror, a tiny mini, but this car isn't that fast, so I don't think that it should be an problem that you have a small mirror. So over here, so basically these were the short cars, but over here, when we come over here, we have long elongated cars, so we have to use wide angle. By the way, this is the 1923 Lanchester 40 HP. So this is just something, guys. These are the cars you would really get a vibe of old America around this car, because this car, of course, it's a station wagon by its means, but interiors are really something. It's like just it came out from an showroom. The Ambi, no, it's not an Ambi, it's PAL, and many more cars over there. And you have a Lotus. No. So what do you see over here is Hillman and a Lotus over there. Lotus looks such a beautiful thing. The headlights pop inside inwards, to be honest, and not honest, but just to tell a thing about it. Hansa and the old Fiat looks beautiful, because these cars are sitting right next to each other. And wheelies, my god, this is the steering wheel. I just can't think that I would use, or I would like to use it on off-roading, but on then you don't have really things to compromise about. Like, you have to compromise the things. The headlights, my god, it's wide angle, otherwise you would know that how big these headlights are. And many cars to go. Chevrolet badging right over here, and the Velux, beautiful looking car. So let's see what do we get over here. Lots of leg room and good interiors. Again here, same things on offer. Lots of leg room. These are the cars you would prefer when you are a millionaire in back days. And this is the Buick badging. Okay, so Buick badging on here also. This is, by the way, the tires, and the interiors look such a thing. And this is the Ambassador, which nowadays also are used by some politicians. Basically, when you see these cars now, the number plate is written with left hand drive, and 15.6 cycle. I really don't know what that is, but yeah, it is written that way. That's not it, guys. Like, we are done for the moment. Like, there are many cars, around 30 cars, 30 plus cars to be offer. So let me just show you these things. And here you get a Chevrolet, beautiful indeed. Ford. Now these kind of cars you would really remember if you saw Charlie Chaplin movies. Let's see, have a look at Plymouth here. The wings are two different things, and these are actually bigger than my hands. So I think that old people, I'm really sorry for that, old people I guess loved the big headlamps, and of course to chauffeur around, and the driver is not too comfy when you are driving. But yeah, perks of luxuriness. This is the interiors, and these cars are clean as whistle, and originally they are in their stock paint, like the way they were delivered in 90s. These sort of fluid drive. So I guess this is the sign to just determine the fluidity, I guess, but it defines the luxury itself. And this is the luxurious Mercedes Benz, which also are on the peak for making the luxurious cars. And back then, also, this beautiful Indian flag, really great. So, these are some beauties. Let me show you a badging, custom badging. I don't know why that is, but that is old Mercedes Benz interiors. Really cool, guys. Same over here, Cadillac. Cadillac badging you can see over here. Okay. And Cadillac also on the dashboard itself. That is for today, and hope you enjoyed all the beauties. Let's say goodbye to all the collection and this beautiful place. And as we say, adios, amigos.